Welcome back to The Hub today. The summer is all about fun. So instead of spending time searching for the beach towels or scrambling just to get out the door, how about enjoying the short New England summer season that we usually get? So organization expert Caitlin McBride is here to help us with the simple systems that you can build so that your summer is more successful. Every time you come in, I'm so excited because you help us get our lives together. And we're going to actually start with, like, let's say my friends call me after the show and they're like, Kwani, we need to go to the beach. What should I have in my go bag?
We are going to make you totally prepared, Kwani. So you're just coming out of the summer school year. It's crazy, you know, and it's time to chill and relax.
Seriously.
So getting a good system set up for your to-go bag, just like at your home, is going to take that chaos out of everything. So we're going to have you prepped. People with younger kids, it's obviously good to have one beach bag, but as the kids get older, or if it's you and your husband, it's good to have separate bags to keep things separated. So, like I said, same as in your home, you want a system in your bag. So everything is going to have a home. So we have the goggles, we have the sunscreen, snacks, wipes, everything's in here. We have the towel.
And it's custom. It's so cute.
It's custom, yes. I love a wet bag for when, you know, bathing suits are wet. The other thing I love to do for my bag and even the kids' bags is to put a jumbo Ziploc for change of clothes in there as well.
That's so smart. So everything doesn't get sandy or wet.
Everything's in there. And it's great when the kids have their own bags. It's really teaching them that sense of independence and keeping things separated. But the key to staying on track with the system, it's the one-touch rule, Kwani. So when you come back in from the beach or the pool, you are going to immediately, instead of throwing the bag, throwing the towel, putting everything down, you're going to take care of it right then and there.
Oh my gosh, please.
Yes, so this is where the one-touch comes in.
Okay.
You're going to go in, you're going to unload everything, you're going to put your fresh towel in, your fresh bathing suit, restock the snacks. I love to put like a little money bag in for the kids.
That's genius, actually.
Ice cream stand, so it's ready to go. Exactly.
Okay.
So then when you get that call from your friend, hey, come meet us at the pool after work, you're ready to go.
That's how you keep it ready when you do it immediately.
Exactly.
Stop procrastinating.
No
everyone.
Procrastination, and it saves time.
Okay, obviously very important. Snacks. Everywhere you go, you're going to need some snacks.
Yes.
But tell me about this box.
This is called a snackle box. For some reason, my kids do so much better when they can reach in and just snack on little things versus packing a lunch. I love this for the beach, and this is something else that we prepare ahead of time as well.
A genius.
We get in from the beach to the pool, we pack it up for the next day, and it is ready to rock.
That's so smart.
They also make these now with the stainless steel containers, which are awesome, getting rid of that plastic stuff. But I love this, and it's just an easy on-the-go snacking system.
Like you said, it keeps it convenient, but also gives you options so that if you are tired of the vegetables,
totally.
something else to do.
100%. You still have your snack money in your bag over here.
If you need to find something else.
For the ice cream stand, yes.
All right, this seems very clutch, especially with the hot days that we've been having.
100%. So
what is it?
I feel like we're always going through water, and I need more water, and we have this in the back of our car. It is the best thing for quick refills, easy on the go, and then same thing.
Pretty simple.
You finish it, you fill it up, and you just keep it back there.
And you also bring your other container with you to refill.
Exactly. The kids always have their water bottles in their bags.
That's smart. Instead of paying $5 for a water bottle,
yes, 100%.
Just bring it with you.
It's all there.
Okay, last but not least, I told you before that thankfully our producers did not pull up photos of my car trunk, but what exactly is this?
So this is kind of your backup system if you don't have your pool bags with you. So in here is if you are out and about, you get the call, you don't have your pool bag. I love this thing for the beach. This is a sand brush, so this keeps the car clean.
Smart.
Super awesome before you get in. We have a first aid kit in there, wipes, and then again, the backup stuff. You have your bug spray, your goggles, sunscreen.
This is perfect.
I love
everything you need is in here.
Everything. We have backup bathing suits. These towels are great. They're small, easy to fold up. And then we have a picnic blanket.
That's perfect. All right, before we go, you crushed this as usual. I feel more prepared. I'm going to go to work later. Where can we find you on Instagram quickly?
We are at Home and Harmony on Instagram and homeandharmony.com as well.
Thank you. Make sure you follow her. Enjoy the weather. Go to the beach. We'll talk soon.